Here we will discuss on gray codes. A type of codes in which each symbol is represented by a fixed length sequence of binary digit. Here available types of codes like BCD, XS3, gray, ASCII, etc. Then we know what is gray code. Gray code is a form of binary that uses a different method of incrementing from one number to the next. This code is also called as a cyclic variable code, as the transition of one variable to its successive value carries a change of one bit only. The gray code is a very lightweighted code because it does not depend on the value of the digit specified by the position. Let's move. The topic of is conversion. In gray code available two conversion, that is binary to gray and gray to binary. Here I will discuss conversion of binary to gray. Here are the steps of converting. At the start, the leftmost gray digit in the same as the leftmost digit. Suppose I take a 111011, same digit, then add the leftmost binary digit to adjacent one, that is 0. Then add the next adjacent binary number, that is 0. 1 plus 1 0. Add the next adjacent binary number, that is 1 plus 0 1. Add the next adjacent binary number, that is 0 plus 1 1. And we get final answer, that is 100110. Then we know about conversion of gray to binary. Step first, the leftmost digits are same, that is 1, it is 1. Then gray code is 11011. Then add the last binary digit just generated of the gray digit in the next position, discard carry. That means answer value plus answer value to the upper value, that is 1 plus 1 0. And the process starts until the process continues until we get final answer, that is 10010. After that I will explain how to convert binary to gray code with example. Suppose I take binary number, that is 11011. 11011. This is binary number. Enter. After that, separate all the numbers like this: 1 1 0 1 and 1. Enter. Then add numbers like this. Take first number same as, that is 1011. Then upper number, that is 1, add with upper number, that is 1. That means binary number. A binary number added in binary number, that is 1 plus 1 0, and carry discarded. And then upper number means binary number is 1 plus with a binary number 0. 1 plus 0, that is 1. Then 0 plus 1 1. Then 1 plus 1 0, and carry discarded. We get final answer, that means 101101. Enter. we get final answer, that is 10110. Gray. We write base to gray because of the number we created, that is gray, 10110. Then after that I will explain how to convert binary to gray. No. Here we convert binary to gray with simple method. After that I will explain gray to binary conversion with simple example. In this conversion we simple add number with answer value, that is a binary value, like this. Suppose I take 10110. I take this number, then separate this number, and then we write first number same as, that is 1. Then add 1 plus 0, that means a binary number to gray number. In simple language, answer value to upper value, that is 1 plus 0, 1. Then add 1 plus 1, that means answer value to upper value or a binary value to gray value, that is 0. Then add 0 plus 1, that is 1. And then add answer value to upper value, that is 1. And we get final answer, that is 11011. Enter 11011. That is binary number. Let's see. I take binary number, that is 11011. I was convert into gray code, that is 10110, and then I convert this gray code into binary number, that is 11011. I hope you understand all codes and their conversations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content on digital logic or digital technique or computer engineering. Thanks.